What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw Spider-Man 2099. Now you want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the trim around the eyes. Let's start right in the middle, leaving a gap. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going up and out in an angle towards the top of the eye. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw that trim coming down towards the bottom of the eye and then up on the inside. So go around, come down, and I'm just going to bend that up, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's line this up on the right. Bring down, go all the way around, and then up towards the top. Let's go back up to that top line. We're just going to angle this up and then out to right about there. Now I'm going to draw a hook along the top, bending this up and in. Taper this out and then down towards the side. Let's go back to the bottom, draw two straight lines coming down towards the chin. And then from the bottom, angle this up and out. Let's add a small point along the bottom with a short line coming down and out. Angle this up and out just underneath the eyes. And then we'll add a small hook coming down and in. Bend this out and then up towards the side. Now before we finish off the trim, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. It's going to curve the head. Coming down, come in towards the chin. So round this out, go out and then up towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the head. We're going to bump this out, go up, and then in towards the middle, round up the head, come all the way around the right side, and then bend that in. Now with the head in place, let's finish off the trim. Let's start from the top left, bend this up, and then out towards the side of the head. Now from the top we're going to step down, bend this in and then down with a short line. Trace the eye, coming down, and then angle this up and out towards the side. Now I'm going to do that one more time. Stepping down, draw a short line coming in. I'm just going to follow the curve of the eye, going all the way around, down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes and draw in the brow. From this point, bend this in and then up, and do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start all the way over on the left side, just underneath the head, then the body, coming in and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to extend the right leg out towards the side. So in the middle, step down. It's going to curve the leg, going out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, going out and then up. Now you see the bottom edge of the foot. So we're going to curl the toe, going all the way around, come down towards the heel. Let's go back to the top of the foot. Just going to curve the foot, going up, around, and then down, aiming towards the heel. And then going back to the hip, we'll step up, curve the leg, going out, and then down on top of the foot. Now I'm going to move over and bend the left leg. From this line, step over towards the right, draw a straight angle line coming out towards the inside of the knee. Let's go up to the hip, step up, round up the leg, going all the way around towards the knee, round up the knee, and then pull that up towards the inside. We're also going to tuck the foot in underneath the leg. We're going to start down here, come down towards the bottom of the foot, go all the way around, and then up in behind the leg. Now let's go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Start from the top of the body, bend the arm going up, and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle coming down and then up for the thumb. Add a bracket on the ends. Now you want to wrap 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the side of the thumb, go out and in around the bracket, step out, draw the second finger, going out and then in, and then the third finger going all the way around and then down in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around and in, add the second finger, and the third coming in behind the head. Now with the body in place, let's add some details. We're going to start by adding a thick trim along the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, step in, go all the way around, and just blend this down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's trace the bottom of the right foot, starting from the heel, going all the way up. Let's add a seam across the center of the right leg, coming around and then down, and then on the left side, along the bottom of the leg, going up underneath. Now we're going to add 2 spikes along the back of each arm. Let's start on the left, bend this up and in, and taper that back down. And do the same thing on the right. Let's leave a small gap and do that again. Going up and in with a shorter line, and come down. Let's add a simple symbol in the center of the body. Leave a gap underneath the chin, draw 2 lines, one coming down on the left, and one on the right. From the ends, angle this down and then in, come down and out. Now pull this down and in towards the center of the body. Now along the top on the outside, I'm just going to trace this out, going out and then up toward the top on both sides. And then from the top, bend this down and in, angle this down and then out. Let's go to the center, draw 2 angle lines going down, come down and in towards the middle. Now along the bottom, draw 2 lines on either side. From the top, hook this around and in, go to the inside, just taper it down towards a point. Let's go up to the side, draw 2 straight angle lines. On the inside, hook this around and in, go up to the top and just taper down towards the bottom. Now along the side, angle this up and out, and go up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the bottom. I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as you go up towards the top. Now from the top, we'll step out, angle this down towards the side of the body, come down and then in. Let's taper this out towards the side. Now I'm going to add 1 more trim along the top of the arms. Let's start on the left side, bend this out and then up. I'm going to pull this up and in towards the side of the head. Let's finish off by signing art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Spider-Man 2099. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.